Rat Trap Productions, where we teach you how to do things. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, super yummy crock-pot potatoes. Cheesy au gratin potatoes. All you need is 5 ingredients. You got a pound of bacon. You want to fry that up. 6 baking potatoes, heavy whipping cream, some Asiago cheese, and salt and pepper. And that's it. You're going to take your potatoes and slice them into a thick slice. I use a food processor, but you certainly can do it by hand. Alright, so after you've sliced your potatoes, grate your cheese up and fry your bacon up. Take a little bit of the bacon fat, about 1/3 of a cup, and you're going to just pour it into the bottom of the crock pot. Make a nice layer of bacon grease. Then you're going to take a quarter of your potatoes, and you want to layer them on the bottom of your crock pot in the bacon grease. And take about a quarter of your bacon, sprinkle that in, quarter of the cheese, salt and pepper, repeat layering, potatoes, bacon, cheese, salt, and pepper. When you have finished your last layer of potatoes, you want to salt and pepper your final layer of salt and pepper, and then your final layer of bacon, and your final layer of cheese. And you're going to end with about 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream over the top. Place it on low for about 7 hours. And you're done with your cheesy, yummy potatoes. Really healthy too. Okay, after they have been cooking for about 6 to 7 hours, they look like that, and they're ready to be dished. Rat Trap Productions, where we teach you how to do stuff. Yummy potatoes.